So guys, let's take a look at gold for today. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So with this gold right now, we can start gold is literally a bearish move. I would say this is the trend, right? A down movement. So personally, I would want to see gold actually come to this same level, which it has actually gotten to this level. There's every possibility we might be having a double test. You can see that price came to this same level. Price is currently trading at 1908. We are very much likely to see it come again to this level of 1912. Very much likely to see it come to this level of 1912. And guess what? We will be expecting another drop again. So if you take a look at this movement today, you see that gold literally dropped, which was the movement we were all expecting, especially if you are following me on Patreon, right? Then all of a sudden, this massive movement was played. This movement was just to take out a lot of traders, right? This massive, I'll call it the liquidity level, which is more visible on the 15 minutes time frame or so. You can see that price literally dropped. Then all of a sudden, it pushes up because a lot of traders were selling. This was the right level to sell. This was the good level to sell. That was it. But eventually, when a lot of traders were actually taking a sell more and more, hoping it would go down, all of a sudden, this spike movement came out to take out a lot of stop loss. With this again, I am seeing another fall, a little bit of a movement to at least a level of 1912. Possibly, we might not hit that level, but if in case we get it, hit that level again. If in case we hit a level of 1912, then I expect gold to actually drop one more time. So a little bit of a correction and a drop again on gold. So today is the last day of the week. I don't really expect any movement. I don't expect much movement. Probably by next week, we should be able to see gold actually break this lows. Next week, let's see how good goes. But with this moment, a little bit of a correction, then a drop. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So do follow us on Telegram.